Real Madrid could be set to pull off the biggest transfer of the January window, despite some ridiculously big deals already happening, with Inter Milan striker Mauro Icardi linked with a £98 million move. What is going on? January transfer windows are supposed to be pretty quiet affairs, but this year it's all gone a bit mental and Real Madrid could be about to join in all the spending fun. So far this month we've seen Virgil van Dijk beat the world record transfer for a defender. Felipe Coutinho moved to Barcelona, Alexis Sanchez moved to Manchester United, Manchester City are getting Aymeric Laporte and Arsenal are on the verge of signing Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Madness. Just when you didn't think there could be any more big moves. Dortmund images. Check out our Once Upon a Time in Real Madrid video. There's plenty of the other kind of deals we are used to in January too, like Daniel Sturridge heading to West Brom, but Real Madrid could be about to blow everyone out of the water. According to Argentine journalist Los Blancos are set to sign Inter Milan captain Mauro Icardi for £98 million this transfer window, saying Mauro Icardi travels to Madrid at the moment to seal the move with the Real. An express offer of €106 plus Kovacic return would have convinced the leadership Nerazzurra to let go of his maximum gunner in the absence of just 2 days to close the market passes. All in the midst of Icardi actually posting on Instagram saying, "Growing up means being able to say goodbye," many thinking it's confirmation he's about to leave a club he loves. With Real 19 points off Barcelona in top, they have little to no chance of being champions, but they are still only 1 point clear of fifth and being out of the Champions League places. Cristiano Ronaldo is their top league scorer with just 8, and that's after a recent upturn in fortunes from the forward.